solve 2x to the negative 2 minus 7x to the negative 1 plus 3 equals 0. Now at first this looks kind of like a confusing equation. We have negative exponents and kind of a weird looking equation, but what we can actually do is recognize that this variable in the middle, which has the x to the negative 1 power, if we squared this, we would get x to the negative 2 power. And so that tells us we have an equation in quadratic form. So we can sub in, create a variable u, which is equal to x to the negative 1. And we're going to set this equation in terms of u. So the x to the negative 1 squared we have here. So in other words, it's u squared minus 7u plus 3 equals 0. And now we have a quadratic equation. And so we can factor that. We get 2u minus 1 times u minus 3. Let's plug back in the equation in terms of x. So we have x to the negative 1 and x to the negative 1 here. And now we can set both of these equal to 0 and solve for x. So if you recall, when you have negative exponents, it's the reciprocal of the positive exponents. So x to the negative 1 is 1 over x. And so 2 times that is 2 over x. Minus 1 equals 0. We're going to add 1 to both sides. And we're going to multiply both sides by x and get x equals 2. Over here we have 1 over x minus 3 equals 0. Add 3 to both sides and take the reciprocal of both sides in this case. And so we get x equals 1/3. And so those are our two solutions.